Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sara Nana channel. I'm back and I'm pregnant. Let me tell you, that was a really sketchy pregnancy. It was really hard the first months. I suffered of a lot of nausea and a small complication, so I couldn't produce and create anything. So when I was feeling a little bit better, I was up to do my own gender reveal. Even if you don't have a fancy home or a fancy garden, I really suggest you to find a corner in your house and to concentrate all your decorations there. It will be easier, cheaper, and you will get amazing pictures. I started by the main piece that were the words boy and girl, that really set the tone for all the celebration as a sort of a centerpiece. I am at home, and between my moment of nausea, I want to create the words boy and girl, and I'm doing it with cardboard. I wish I can do it 3D. I don't know. I suggest you not to make the 3D too thick, so that when you have to curve the cardboard like the letters R, O or G, it will be easier. I cut all of these cardboards so that I can make the thickness of the letters, like for the G, for example, something like this. And now it was the time to hot glue everything I got. Here we go. And the 3D are starting to get done. I was super lucky because I still couldn't drive alone, but I remember that in my stash of colors in the storage room, I had the perfect ones for this amazing color palette. Let's go take some spray paint. Who knew that I could finally use my pastel pink and baby blue chalk paint colors? I can spray paint my letters. Okay, we're done. And now it was the time to assemble together the words. I was thinking about attaching everything with a white background, but I think I don't like it. I prefer it alone, like this. But the problem is the eye. If I hot glue everything together, it will be a little bit too together. So maybe I'm gonna place 2 skewers underneath and I'm gonna hot glue everything else. It sounds that it's working. Okay, so now we have to put the boy upon it. Knowing that the color palette was pastel, everything else has to go with it. So I got something online like paper glasses, paper plates, I had some napkins in the pastel colors with a sprinkle of gold. These just arrived, the perfect pastel colors in love. A really important part for the gender reveals are balloons. I would say that is the focus of everything, so I really wanted to create this arch full of balloons. Unfortunately, online I could find only pre-packaged balloons, or in pink or in blue, so I had to buy 2 of them to mix them together so that I could realize the perfect bi-color theme that I wanted. Just keep in mind that when the balloon came, I really hoped that there would be a support with them, but no, so I had to figure out what to do to make this arch and to stick the balloon into it. This is what I received. That's it, what you see. So the only things that were inside were these 2 things. We will find out how they work. So because I really don't like the gray and I really don't like this kind of, let's see about this color. I'm gonna put just the pink and the blue ones together and then let's see. You're gonna blow some balloons more and some balloons less, because in the package you will get something like maximum 3 dimensions. But what you really want is texture, so that the arch can get this kind of 3D feelings that is what you're looking for.
Thank God from my neighbor I got this, so I can start blowing the balloons. I blew some of those a little bit less so that I have differences. This is a little bit bigger, this is smaller, I don't know if you can feel, but this is the biggest one. Then we have middle, then we have small ones. I want to make something a little bit different so that it will be really textural.
To assemble the balloons, we use the plastic tape with holes provided, and they provide you also with the sticky dots so that you can stick one balloon into another.
We are trying to assemble it. There is this thing where you put it here inside the big one and you anchor it going lower.
And then my husband had this great idea to use a chunky plastic pipe as the arch support into the base of a garden umbrella. So we just had to tie everything with twine and the arch was ready.
We are using an umbrella base and we got this pipe as a sustainer of the balloons. We're gonna stick everything to the tube. Okay, this is a start. That is really nice.
Then I had a sort of a sign, but you have to wait till the end of the video to see if it was the truth.
While we were preparing that guirlanda, one blew up. I don't know if it's a signal. Tomorrow I will see.
I then got the last decorations like the trumpets and these clouds that I attached with a double-sided tape so that I could fill the wall. Now I'm gonna show you how I set up everything. And now that the biggest part of the decor was set, I asked my friends to bring some other details like biscuits in a pink and blue color, or the cake and the confetti with the right gender inside. I don't know how about you, but I really can't wait to see the gender of my child. You can see the shock in my eyes because I was sure it was a boy, so sure. We're living hard time with this pandemic, so I was able to call just 4 of my friends and I was in a live chat with my mom from Italy. But I really suggest you to do the gender reveal in any case because it's something that is getting you so many emotions that you will bring it together with you for all your life. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you sooner next time. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe. To make so, you just have to press the red button down there. See you, bye!
Δύο κορίτσια, 3 αγόρια και εγώ είμαι και εγώ κορίτσι και είμαστε ισοπαλία.